The Northeast India has inspired many. There are so many different types of landscapes in Northeast India. The hills and mountains, the valleys and rivers, the waterfalls in lakes, the national parks and the forests are so unique and stunning. And I'm really excited to share with you guys this travelogue of my 21 days solo road trip across 4 northeastern states in India. I traveled through the hill districts of Assam and the states of Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland, and I covered over 2500 kilometers. I explored some amazing places, been through cultures and local history, climbed a few peaks, done a few treks, went through happiness and hardships. Overall, I had a great time. So let's start the journey now. In this episode, I will be traveling to the Panimur Waterfalls, which is called as the Niagara of Assam, in Dima Hasao district in North Kachar Hills. It was late February and I started from my hometown Tezpur at 9 in the morning. We are now crossing the Kolia Bomora bridge, which connects Tezpur to the southern bank of Brahmaputra river. We are now crossing Kolia Tiniali and took a right turn towards Nagaon. I wanted to start the journey as early as possible in the morning, but out of excitement I couldn't sleep well last night, and I also had to pack things for my trip. The distance from Tezpur to Panimur Waterfalls is about 160 kilometers and it takes 4 hours at max. I'm carrying fooding, cooking, sleeping and other needs in my car as I wanted to be self-sufficient so that I can roam, eat and sleep anywhere. And it would help me in case of any adverse situations. We took a left turn from the Borghat bypass towards Doboka and Lanka. We crossed Lanka and we took the road that goes towards Umrangso. We are now entering into Dima Hasao district. from Lanka and we entered Dima Hasao district, and I've been off-roading for about 20 minutes now. See the road. The condition of the road, it's off-road. Can't go past 30 kilometers an hour. Road construction has been going on. I'm on a good road now, much better. It's village area. These are the paddy fields. I'm on the way to the Panimur Waterfalls and it's about 13 kilometers from here. Feels good to be back on tarmac. The road is pretty smooth and the construction is going on. The last stretch of road to the Panimur waterfall was unpaved. And we are just about to cross the check gate. So we have finally arrived at the Panimur waterfall. There is the parking. So after all the hardship, I have arrived here in Panimur waterfalls. Is around me. And behind me is the waterfall, and this is the way to go there. This is the way, and I'm going towards the waterfall. I love it. This is so amazing. It's so cool, man. Yeah. I love it. See the view? Woo! This is awesome, man. This is awesome. The water is so bluish. You should definitely come here. This is amazing. So right now I'm in a boat ride near the waterfall. The view is amazing from here. The Panimur Waterfalls is a part of the Kopili River and it's called the Niagara of Assam. Rightly so, cause its resemblance to the Niagara Falls in America. This is one of the most beautiful waterfalls I have ever seen, and it's less known to people and is less explored. But I tell you, it's worth the visit. We are now going to see another segment of the waterfall. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, where I will be visiting the beautiful Umrangso in Dima Hasao district of Assam.